Hello everyone and welcome to lesson number 37. In this lesson, we're going to learn the verb type 3. This type consists of verbs ending in a combination of two consonants and a vowel. To get the infinite stem of the verb, you need to remove the other consonant and the vowel. After that, you need to add an E followed by the correct ending. Here is one example. Mennä. Minä menen.
I go.
Sinä menet.
You go.
Hän menee.
He goes. She goes.
Me menemme.
We go.
Te menette.
You go.
He menevät.
They go.
Here are some other verbs of type 3. Now it's your turn. Try to conjugate the verb tulla.
Minä tulen. Sinä tulet. Hän tulee. Me tulemme. Te tulette. He tulevat.
Kiitos! See you in the next lesson!